Hello everyone, welcome to a more chit-chatty style video. If this is your first time, welcome. I hope you enjoy your stay. My name is Thor, and on this channel I talk all about things fashion related. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for joining me in this one as well. So this one's going to be, a mix of my shopping vlog as well as a little bit of a chit-chat about some things that I'm just feeling around shopping. So if you're interested, keep watching. I'm gonna put the shopping vlog first, so you'll see that first, and then I just want to get into a little bit of things after, so let's go to the shopping vlog. Oh my god, how cute is this? It's so small. Yeah, the soft one. So tiny. Next we have Celine. I've been really wanting to see the Ava with the new strap and also try on some of their sunglasses. If you've been watching this channel before, then you'll know that I had a pair of the Celine Triomphe version 2 sunglasses. Not like these ones, but they were too small for my face, so I just wanted to see if any of the new styles were going to be a good fit. Unfortunately, they weren't. They were all quite small. And then I just wanted to see some of their totes that they had. Nothing too new. They had this hat in a size large, which I quite liked, but it was around $600. And here is the Ava that I was speaking about. I want a tan color, but I kind of just want the original strap. Like, the new strap is nice, but it's just quite expensive. You can make it longer if you buy the crossbody strap, which I will be showing basically now. And it does sit nicely, but the strap is extra, and I think the strap itself is around like $500 or $600, so it'd be quite expensive. Next we have Gucci. I wanted to check out this Gucci Blondie card holder. It was very cute. Also the Jackie style. I really like this tan color. Super nice. Very Celine Ava vibes, what I'm looking for. Although this one is substantially more expensive. They had a lot of different versions there, which I quite liked. Lots of colors, like 4 different types of canvas varieties. This one was my favorite from the canvas, the very light color. And you get 3 different straps, which I thought was amazing. 1 webbing and basically 2 leather, but they are quite a bit more expensive, so it's a no from me. Also, these Banana collections are adorable. I love them so much. I want everything, but I have no use for anything from it, so pass from me for now. Also, Anya Hindmarch, do we remember her? She was big a few years ago with the smiley face bags, or like the caricature bags. She sort of fell off, but I guess she's back in the sale. There were also these cute bags. This was an Amina Muaddi. I tried to open it, you guys. It was so hard to get into. Also, some Loewe pieces. I kind of want a Loewe puzzle bag. They have gone up quite a bit recently, so I'm not sure if I will get one. Their tan colors really nice, as well as this beautiful blue. Now that we've seen the shopping vlog, let's talk a little bit about what we've seen, what we're feeling. I don't know, you guys. I'm feeling like everything is a bit bleh right now. Like, nothing is really inspiring me. I'm not really getting the tingles for anything. The mini Antigona from Givenchy was actually super cute, but I don't really need another micro bag. And the only one that I was kind of interested in was the Ava with the new strap. I talked a little bit about why I didn't like that new strap, but actually trying it on, seeing it, having it go to different lengths, I actually did quite like it, but the price is around 3,000 Canadian, and I just don't know if I view the bag as worth it, considering I got the other one at around like 2,100. Granted, there was a price increase since then, so the new price is around 3,000. Yeah, do you guys like the new strap? Do you guys like the old strap? Like, what do you guys think? Also, I don't know why I didn't really pay any attention to Gucci recently. I feel like they peaked a few years ago with the Marmont bag. Everyone was going crazy for the Marmont bag. Then they sort of slipped a little bit. Now I'm seeing a lot of their Jackie style, and I was actually quite impressed with the construction of the bag, with how many things you got with the bag, as well as just how it looked. They're very stiff, which I wasn't expecting, but I also kind of liked. On the shoulder, it does feel a bit like clunky just because of how stiff it is. I'm not sure if they soften up. If anyone has one, let me know if they do soften up, but I liked the natural tan version a lot. That one was around 4,300 Canadian, which I thought was quite expensive compared to the Celine one, and also a tan color being under 3,000. And this is all pre-tax, so like after tax, who knows, that bag might be close to 5,000. But I really liked it. I thought it was very beautiful. I like that it has, you know, an adjustable strap that you can make longer and shorter. And then I also liked the really light GG Supreme canvas one, and you get 3 straps with that, which I was really impressed by. And that one was around I think 3,500. And you get like the webbing strap, you get the top handle, you get an additional leather strap, and they are quite a bit taller. So I do like them. I don't know if I would see myself wearing one necessarily, but I do quite like them. But yeah, like, you guys, I don't know, nothing is really interesting me right now. I don't know if this is just a byproduct of luxury minimalism, sort of taking a break, taking a step back, and now I'm like, I don't really need anything. I don't really feel like I have many gaps in my collection, if any. What else did I see? I loved the Gucci Banania version 2, so the second round of this collection. So cute, the things were adorable. I loved the little cat, unicorn cat, rocker cat. I don't really see anything that I would get though. Like, the only thing maybe is like that twilly scarf. But I'm like, how would I even use that? I would just get it at this point. But yeah, what do you guys think right now? I feel like all the bag releases lately are just sort of bland. Like, I don't know, nothing is really piquing my interest very much, enough to purchase anyway. And maybe I just feel like we're overexposed with all of these new releases. Seems like every week now there's a new release from one of the luxury houses. Louis Vuitton seems to release freaking collections every day. And then it's just like there's so much marketing, and I just feel like I'm like, enough. But I don't really know where I sit right now in relation to shopping. I still enjoy shopping, I still like going, but as I go now, I mostly just find that I go to film content, to be like, look at all these things, you guys. It's not necessarily because I'm like, oh my god, yes, I want to go see a bag that I want to like try on and buy, whatever. But how are you feeling? Do you also feel like the new releases are kind of bland and boring? Do you feel like there's just so much going on now? Like, there's so much shopping, so many new releases that it's like we can't really keep up with them, or like by the time we're interested in one, another one is already on its way. But yeah. Hello everyone, welcome to Saturday. So today I'll be tacking this on after my shopping vlog, but we're going to the PNE. So the PNE is the Pacific North Exhibition. I think that's what it's called, Pacific National Exhibition, and it is this, I guess, cultural center for Vancouver, as well as there is a amusement park attached to it called Playland. I've never been to the PNE. Apparently it's like this big thing that all the locals go to. Robin's work was so nice enough to get us tickets for this event, so I will be bringing you along with me. I'm not sure how much filming I will do. There's gonna be roller coasters, there's gonna be mini donuts. I don't know what else there's gonna be, but there's gonna be something else. I'm also doing some shopping at Lululemon. What do we think of this jacket? This is freaking cute, right? I have it in green, but I got it in the wrong size. But I like this color. I also like this color. I don't know. What do you guys think? So this is the infamous Playland wooden coaster, built in 1958 completely of wood and basically only uses gravity to bring you along. I waited in line for 2 hours for this ride, you guys. 2 hours for basically 1 minute of fun, but it was completely worth it. I also love all the fair food. Give me the corn dogs, the cotton candy, the mini donuts, and of course the games. Played a few games. I won a corn dog for Lynx. She loves it.
One.
Get it, baby!
It's head to head, neck to neck, toe to toe. Who's gonna win? Nobody knows. You wanna whack him?
Hello, everybody. So, I don't know when in the vlog this part is going. I just want to show what I got from Mine and Yours, which is a luxury consignment store that I have shown before on this channel. And then also, I just want to talk a little bit about how my break is going. So as you know, if you follow this channel, I took a short 2-week break. I'm still currently in that break as I'm filming this, but so far so good. I've been really enjoying it. I'm so glad that I took it. It's been nice to just forget about, you know, extra responsibilities like creating content and just be a person again. So recently I went to Mine and Yours. They were having their warehouse sale, so everything was 50 to 90% off. Robin and I had gone downtown and we were at a friend's event, and then I'd seen this bag online, a part of the sale, heavily discounted. I wanted to see it, so I'm sorry I didn't film, but I was just like really in the mood to just be present and to just be in the store, try things around, not like film content, so sorry. But this is what I picked up. So this is a pretty big Miu Miu tote. So it has the Miu Miu stamp right there. It's in this gorgeous gray color. And it has this beautiful purple satin lining gray hardware. So this bag was originally on their website for $450, but I picked it up for $195. $195, not including tax, but it was $218 after tax for this giant, huge tote bag. I feel like big bags are back, y'all. Big bags are coming back as a part of the 2010s resurgence. It is so cute. It just says Miu Miu right there. Miu Miu right there. Has these really nice tubular handles on the inside. Purple satin. It has one pocket. On the side here, it just says Miu Miu. There is some wear, obviously. I believe this is in the Vitello Shine leather. I believe it's lambskin, and it's sort of coated or treated. I have no idea when this bag was originally purchased, what the original purchase price was, anything about it. It did come with this. So this little booklet, and inside the booklet came the little Miu Miu card, and then on the back, this is what it had. So graphite is the color. Yeah, vintage, Vitello Vintage is the leather. Saka, I don't know. So this is what came with it. Hard-wearing calf skin that has been tanned using traditional methods and processed to give it a slightly and particularly soft feel and deliberate, slightly aged appearance. I wanted a tote bag for my job so I could bring in my my laptop. This is what it looks like on. It's honestly really cute. It fits really nicely under the arm. It fits a ton. I fit my whole laptop in here, literally everything. It's ginormous. I do wish it came with a shoulder strap, but you know, it's fine that it doesn't. In the bag, so this is the large shopping bag that it came with. So Mine and Yours, they are a Vancouver-based consignment store. They may ship globally, I'm not sure, but they gave me a Balenciaga bag. So, you know, not the original dust bag, but a Balenciaga dust bag, which is, you know, it's fine. They are having their warehouse sale still, so I will link them below if anyone's interested in checking out their stuff. They have some pretty good discounts, like $195 for this giant tote bag. I thought was an amazing price, and I literally had to have it. There is some slight cracking around the handles, but not too much. There's literally not that much wear and tear. Like, there's no holes. There's obviously scratches, but it's sort of meant to be scratched. And then just in comparison to the $3,500 that I spent on my other Miu Miu bag, this one is a great price. So that's what I wanted to show you. Also, what sort of what sort of videos would you be interested in seeing from me? I've been trying to do more podcast style videos, but I think the interest sort of died a little bit with those. My last one, the Meta Purse, didn't do as well as I was expecting. So let me know, do you want more reviews? Do you want more shopping vlogs? Do you want more commentary? What do you want? Let me know down below. So stay well, stay rested, and yeah, thank you all for watching and have a great rest of your day. Bye guys.